I got to ride on a private plane with Lando Norris, the F1 drivers, the team principals, and even the Formula One CEO. I got to see Formula One cars through the streets of New York City and Times Square. And I even got to see Brad Pitt and Lewis Hamilton in the new Formula One movie and in real life. So how did I do all this? Well, let me show you. Well, good morning. It is 6:30 in the morning right now in Montreal, and I'm just getting ready and getting dressed. We're here for the F1 movie, and they flew me out to Montreal because the F1 race just happened in Montreal.
Acted well, and he's into the grass, and they have to, and Lando Norris is out of this race.
And then we're taking a private jet from Montreal to New York City for the actual premiere. So it should be cool, but it was nice seeing you, Montreal. Got to see you for an afternoon, and then now we are headed to New York City. How are you feeling, Mr. Sim?
You know, feeling kind of nice right now.
How do you open this door?
Thank you.
Thank you. These electric cars, man, they make me so sleepy. See that? That says Qatar Airways. Even though we're not flying to Qatar, the F1 movie. Airport is super busy today.
Why is she coming here? So far we're flying economy. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Everything we're going through.
It does say economy class right there. United States. So apparently that's the plane that we're going on, because we're flying on Qatar, and then there's a giant F1 thing over there. So it should be kind of cool. Or it'll just be like a normal plane and kind of like a boring hour-and-a-half flight. But it does say F1 on the side, so maybe that makes it cooler. JoJo's trying to look up the plane and see what the inside looks like.
Maybe
figure out what's going on.
Race car helmets on or
something. Maybe
something fun. Maybe something make it a little bit more enjoyable than just a normal plane.
So this is a little interesting. There is a fully private terminal here that we're in right now, and all the F1 drivers are sitting up over there, up behind me, all around, and we're about to board the plane, but they blocked off with security at the end there, so it's a fully private terminal for a public airport, but a private flight with all the F1 drivers and with all the team, the crew, the staff, the team principals, everyone involved. Pretty interesting, pretty cool, and we're just sitting in here in this private terminal waiting to board the flight with everyone else in F1. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Yeah,
interesting.
Pretend I'm in one of these.
What'd you say?
So I'm just gonna pretend I'm in one of these.
Yeah. Interesting. We got this whole plane filled up with F1 stuff. 22G. Sky Sports. Let's throw my stuff up here. This is my seat. With the F1, yeah. They got popcorn, they got handbag things, F1 Qatar thing, another thing. I don't think there's anyone in the middle seats.
No, I don't think so. It's just you and me.
Wow. Just me and JoJo. No middle seats. Not bad. I mean, to be fair, this is a ginormous plane, so I hope they have no middle seats. So these are the nice seats and the nice setup that they got going here. Wow. What a good setup they have for the F1 movie. They got an album here. I mean, they have everything, and it's fully like a giant conversation pit right here. Pretty cool.
than like front first class area where all the drivers are, and everyone's still loading into the actual plane here, and we can kind of just walk around and film what we need to and film whatever we want.
Sorry, mate. No, go.
Where are you sitting?
This is cool.
You want something?
Very cool.
Okay, this is the call sign for today. Our call sign that they can see.
What is that saying?
75 F1. Qatar F1.
Oh, cool. Very cool.
So everyone knowing that we are coming with F1.
Yeah. Make sure it's an important flight. Wow. Well, thank you guys. Very cool.
Princesses to VIPs and team crews.
Thank you. Appreciate
This flight is full of Formula 1 and Hollywood energy and excitement.
Got it.
That was legit.
We would
Got it. Oh, sorry about that. Well, there we go. Get it? Save that.
Got it right here. Save.
That could be the thumbnail right there. Maybe that's the thumbnail.
I got my content.
With you, Zuina, our cabin manager, and the fantastic winning.
They looked, they were like so confused. They were like, I mean, I guess so. Like, yeah.
You're happy with the movie? Be partner of this journey with you.
Save that picture.
And as the one best airline,
Good photo.
That's a lit
we
photo.
were
Let me see yours.
to make this
I
flight
haven't even looked at
memorable.
mine.
Wait, no way.
Yeah.
They're all up there in first.
Yeah, but they were like not really about the pictures. Maybe there's the thumbnail.
Yeah, that is the thumbnail.
No way.
Oh, you
There
got
we go.
two.
Yeah, I was just going. I was just going.
Do you think it's too late to go up there right now?
A little bit, kind of, but yeah, I mean, you could try. But they said last one when they said Joe Jonas,
no,
the
right
second
side or
one.
left
They were not having it after me.
Yeah, they were like, yeah,
They're like, oh gosh.
yeah.
Right side or left side?
On the right side, right down there. You happy about that?
Just trying to figure out how to post it now.
I'm pretty happy about that, and we're just again back to the back of the plane. But we got a couple F1 drivers. I mean, it's a pretty cool experience here. They got everything set up with the F1 movie. Should we do a quick unboxing here of what's going on inside this?
Yeah.
Haven't even looked at this. What do we get for the gift bag? F1 Qatar Airways here. Oh, slippers. These are like some comfy slippers. And pajama set. F1 Qatar long sleeve t-shirt and pants. That's actually kind of cool. That's pretty lit. I'll take that. Our area's a mess.
Yeah. There's a lot going on.
It's a complete and total mess, but not bad. Look at this. This is the ticket that they gave us when we boarded the plane. F1 the movie charter, Qatar Airways from Montreal to New York. Seat F1. Very, very cool. And right there is the Ferrari team principal. Right there, that is the CEO of Formula 1. Right in front of me on this plane, sitting there taking an interview. And with Sky Sports on this random Qatar Airways flight. The CEO of Formula 1, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. pretty cool. Yeah. That's great. That's great. That's cool. Here we go. We're taking off, folks. It is time. 52 minutes to JFK Airport right now. There we are. We're off, folks. See you in about 1 hour in New York City. Let's go. Alright guys, we just came up on a snack box and this is what they dropped off. You got mixed nuts, a banana, lemon mint juice, a cupcake, and a little tiny sandwich. Very rich. Everyone is just walking around, running around, filming. It's really kind of weird to see on a public flight. This flight is so empty. It's so empty up here. There's like nothing, but look. We're in the air. And then the flight is just completely dead and completely empty on the back here. I mean, everyone piled up to the front. And then back here, there's just absolutely no one on the flight at all. Like, absolutely no one back here. Except for Jojo just hanging out. This is the world's most empty flight, just sitting back here. Thank you Jojo for renting out the entire plane for us. I really appreciate you renting out the plane.
It's been a good week.
Yeah, it's really nice of you to rent out this giant Qatar Airlines plane for us. Really sweet. Yeah. We really do just have this entire plane to ourselves. Thank you for renting this out. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. We are 8 million feet in the air right now, and we have the entire plane just to ourselves here. I mean, what seat do you want, Jojo? What?
You know, these are all my seats.
Oh, they're every single one. You bought the entire back of the plane.
Entire back of the plane. There was no available seats in first class, so had to do what I had to do.
It's still kind of broke of you not to be in first class.
I just wanted a playground, so now I can do whatever.
Okay. Oh wow. Running through the back of the plane. How fast can you run around this empty plane as we're 10,000 feet in the sky right now? Now, people be flexing like private jets and people be flexing jets and stuff like that. Who rents an entire Qatar Airlines flight instead? That's pretty hard. That's a lot harder than a PJ. Well, private jets are cool and all, but I would rather rent an entire Qatar Airlines flight than a private jet, wouldn't you?
No.
This is a lot better than a PJ.
No.
I think it's better than a PJ.
No.
And we have landed in New York City now for the premiere of the movie, and everyone is hopping off the flight. Woo! Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York, Mr. Sim.
Didn't think we'd ever get here.
I know, we made it.
Now we are
An hour and a half later, and we finally made it. Interesting flight, to say the least. Ah ha ha. New York City, New York. Oh. So we're in this tiny New York City hotel room getting ready for the premiere right now, and you can see the entire Times Square is down there, and Jojo just bought a shirt because he didn't have a shirt, and it has no buttons on it. So he doesn't know what to do. Look at this man. Turn around, let me see this.
I don't know what to do.
Let me see this. I also am not sure what to do either. I mean, this is the look I'm going with. I'm not really one to know how to dress, but
I'm putting it inside. I have no other solution.
it looks so big.
Unless I cut it off, but that
Oh my gosh. We are out on the streets in Times Square right now. And the F1's premiere, not bad.
It's sick.
Looking good. Looking good, fellas. And they got the Formula 1 cars right there. We need to figure out where or how to get in.
Check. You're right.
Wow. Wow. Okay. The State car, the Williams car. They got all the cars here literally on Times Square right now. The Haas car looks sick with the black and the red. It looks cool. Everyone's going through. Alpine, now this is like a real car. Oh my gosh. Mercedes Formula One in the middle of New York City. The Red Bull car. Pretty cool. A pretty cool setup. But this right here, this is a Mercedes rolling chassis, and you can kind of see a lot of the plastic and detail on this, but this is an actual Ferrari race-driven car. You can tell by all the carbon and all the carbon weave in there and everything, like all the small little intricacies and details on this car and the rear. I mean, check it out. We'll go to the front. Look at all the small little details, the aero details. I'm not touching the aero here, and then the front wing, everything on this car. Impressive. All right, Jojo, you've seen all the chassis now. Which team are you driving for here? You driving for McLaren? You driving for Ferrari?
Red Bull.
Really? Yuki replacement.
Oh, I am the Yuki replacement.
Or are you replacing Max Verstappen?
I'm replacing both of them.
Oh wow, okay.
Just one seat.
Not bad. Not even the McLaren?
Nope.
Yes, thank you.
Is it easy if I take a couple of stickers and put them through?
Now this is the carpet.
You want full body?
Probably not. Oh my gosh. Everyone lined up watching the red carpet. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to see all the cars and see everything happening like in Times Square in New York City. Woo-hoo. Wow. Oh my. That is the livery for the F1 movie right there. That's it. There it is. Wow. That's pretty cool. A few interesting sponsors with this car is you got the AMG on here. It is an American driver, Hayes. You can see it's an American Formula One driver. You got Tommy Hilfiger, you got IWC, Shark Ninja, Expensify. Like it's a Mercedes car, kind of, and that's like what the car is, but the black looks sick. I mean, it looks like Haas's car with all the aero in the back here. I mean, it's a pretty cool, I mean, it's fully a Formula One car, but the sponsors are interesting. The American driver there is interesting, and pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, we got my name, and let's see what they gave us. Oh, there's so many people waiting for the drivers to come out of the cars, and everyone's going in. Here we are.
And now our cast.
There is Lewis
Playing our
Hamilton.
team owner, Ruben Cervantes,
It's time
Mr. Javier
to watch
Bardem.
the movie.
All the drivers, the team principals, the teams, the sportscast, everyone who made this movie possible and let us embed ourselves into your hallowed ground. So can't thank you enough. Please enjoy.
Let's do it. Let's watch it. This should be good. This should be good. Here we end overlooking Times Square in New York City. What a ride it's been. What a fun adventure it's been. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you share the video with your friends, family, grandma, group chats, whatever it is completely free. And also what's completely free is subscribing and clicking all the links down below. Completely, absolutely free. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram @CamCasey, and remember, just don't quit. Bye.